Are you tired of mid-range phones that fall short on performance or battery life? The Samsung Galaxy A56 5G might just be the solution you've been waiting for. Let's break down what this device has to offer. The Galaxy A56 5G combines a sleek aluminum frame with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on both the front and back, giving it a premium look and feel while ensuring durability. It's also IP67 rated, meaning it's resistant to water and dust, perfect for added peace of mind. Despite its solid build, the phone feels lightweight and comfortable to hold. On the front, you'll find a stunning 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, making everything from scrolling to gaming feel incredibly fluid and responsive. Under the hood, the Galaxy A56 5G is powered by Samsung's Exynos 1580 chipset. You can choose between 8GB or 12GB of RAM, along with 128GB or 256GB of internal storage. However, there's no microSD card slot this time, so be sure to choose the right storage option for your needs. This combination ensures smooth multitasking, fast app launches, and reliable performance for gaming or streaming. When it comes to cameras, Samsung has equipped the A56 with a solid triple lens setup. The 50MP main camera captures sharp and detailed photos, while the 12MP ultra-wide lens is perfect for those wide landscape shots. Plus, the 5MP macro camera helps you get up close and personal with small details. On the front, there's a 12MP selfie camera that even supports 4K video recording, a fantastic feature for content creators and social media enthusiasts. Whether you're snapping detailed portraits, capturing stunning landscapes, or recording crisp 4K videos, the A56 delivers impressive results. Powering the A56 is a robust 5000 mAh battery, ensuring you get through your day without constantly reaching for a charger. On the software side, the Galaxy A56 comes with Android 15 running Samsung's One UI 7.0. One major highlight here is the impressive software support. Samsung promises 6 years of major updates and security patches, giving this phone serious longevity. And finally, the Galaxy A56 5G is priced at $499 in the US and £499 in the UK. It officially launched on March 2, 2025, with availability starting from March 19, 2025. So, with its sleek design, powerful performance, and long-term software support, the Galaxy A56 5G offers a lot for its price. What feature impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Thanks for watching.